Hi, good morning. This is Julie. It is Thursday, May 14th, 6:57 a.m. Central Time. Taking a look at the crude market real quick. We have been building, and are pulling back on our momentum. And we are still within our uptrend pattern, but we're stalling right in this area. So there's not really much to look at on our daily chart. We need to move it down to a 30-minute to get a better picture of where price action is going. I've got my volume profile distributions, volume profile air pockets, separating this high volume area from the low volume area. And I'm eyeballing this air pocket right here, thinking that we've got a failure out of this air pocket area. So price came into this imbalance area but has rejected back up. And in market profile, once you come into an imbalance area, either you stay in there and build a balance area towards a previous value area high or low inside this range, or you reject and you come back out. So we've rejected, we've come back out, but it's very typical for the overnight to come back out and test the previous value area low in a downtrend. If we continue pulling up to come back and fill this high volume node in more, we're going to come up to yesterday's point of control, which has not been touched yet. So that's what that blue line is. Blue dots. So we'll come up there. The yesterday VWAP is right here, and the yesterday midband is right here. So this ties into this value area low right here on this section. So we might have a good target between 61.12 and 61.26 today to trade to before we get a failure back down. So I just keep my eye on the direction I want to trade. We're trading below value, but we're moving in the direction to go back and test the bottom of this value area. So if we test this and reject back out, then this section of this volume node will have been filled in much deeper, and price will either come back to inside the balance and fill this in and fill this in and build down, or it's going to reject, which it's done here, and just continue moving back up. And we are in an uptrend. So we have to ask ourselves, is the uptrend holding? And for now it is. So put your channel line up, watch for that break up here. And that's what I will be doing. Getting closer to look at the price action, this is my MP lines indicator from FinAlg that I can actually use these levels with Bloodhound. So I can tie these levels just like the banks do and the other algos, and tie my inflections off of here as a high probability entry location. So here's my point of control, here's my value low, here's the previous value low. So we've got two previous value lows in a very close proximity. One's already been hit. My guess is this candle's coming back up to test this again this morning. We've got a very high stochastics. So price is coming up to retest the value lows or the point of controls. So right now my bias for directional trading this morning is long. So I've got my green bar green longs on, so I'm only going to be looking for long trades setting up and going to my profit targets this morning. And then I will sit on my hands and wait to see what price does at this area at 61.13 and 60.79. I will see how price responds at these levels. And if price comes back into the value and rejects this level and comes back down, then I pull up my Altogami again, and I look for my air pockets to give me a guide of where it's going to be filling in, and I look for my previous value levels to trade to. A very simple trading plan for a very simple strategy, and the strategy is really long or short, and that's really all I'm interested in. With price action alone, these 20-tick reversal bars will get me in the supply-demand battles in the direction I want to be trading. Anytime that price reverses, it's because of a pullback in the direction of a trend, and I just wait for the continuation to occur and then get back in. Or I know that the direction has changed, and if this reversal occurs in the area that I'm trading to, then I know that the high probability is that we've got a reversal and price is coming back down. So trend trade outside value, two-way trade inside value, and good luck today in the market. I will talk to you post-market. Thank you.